Hello friends, this is Shashikant and in this video I am going to solve MAH AAC CET 2020-21. Question number 1. Which is the tool for drawing and shading? Options are A. Brush, B. Pencil, C. Keyboard, D. Mouse. And the correct answer is B. Pencil. Question number 2. 3 to 5 colors beside each other on the color wheel are also known as A. Analogous colors, B. Secondary colors, C. Cool colors, D. Complementary colors. And the correct answer is A. Analogous colors. Question number 3. The choice of colors used in a design plan is called A. Color vision, B. Color wheel, C. Color scheme, D. Color mix. And the correct answer is C. Color scheme. Question number 4. The song Ekla Chalo Re, Walk Alone was written by A. Arbindo Ghosh, B. Subhash Chandra Bose, C. Rabindranath Tagore, D. Mahatma Gandhi. And the correct answer is C. Rabindranath Tagore. Ekla Chalo Re, as we can translate this song in English, that is, if no one responds to your call, then go your own way alone. It's commonly known as Ekla Chalo Re, is a Bengali patriotic song written by Rabindranath Tagore in 1905. Mahatma Gandhi, who was deeply influenced by this song, cited it as one of his favorite songs. Question number 5. What is the full form of GST? A. Goods Save Tax, B. Goods and Services Tax, C. Give S Tax, D. Good Servant Tax. And the correct answer is B. Goods and Services Tax. Question number 6. Which temple dedicated to the sun god is shaped as a chariot? Options are A. Lotus Temple, B. Sun Temple, C. Surya Pahad Temple, D. Sun Chariot. And the correct answer is B. Sun Temple. Question number 7. Which of the following is a famous monolithic temple in Maharashtra? A. Kailas Temple, B. Khandariya Mahadev Temple, C. Sun Temple, D. Shore Temple. And the correct answer is A. Kailas Temple. Here is the word monolithic, means in Hindi ekashma, or in English mono means single, which means formed from a single large block of stone. Question number 8. Who established the Mughal dynasty? Options are A. Akbar, B. Babur, C. Humayun, D. Bahadur Shah. And the correct answer is B. Babur. Question number 9. Speed of internet is measured in A. Gigahertz, B. DPI, C. MB, D. Mbps. And the correct answer is D. Mbps. Question number 10. A hard pencil is A. 8B, B. H, C. 2B, D. HB. And the correct answer is B. H. Question number 11. Which former president died recently? That spelling of former is wrong. It is FORMER. A. APJ Abdul Kalam, B. Zakir Hussain, C. KR Narayanan, D. Pranab Mukherjee. And the correct answer is D. Pranab Mukherjee. Pranab Kumar Mukherjee. I also heard that for first time. It was Pranab Kumar Mukherjee. He was the 13th President of India. He was awarded India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, in 2019. He died on 31st August 2020 at the age of 84. Question number 12. Yahoo, Google and MSN is A. Computer branch, B. Microprocessor, C. Internet sites, D. Hardware. And the correct option is not given. Actually, Yahoo, Google and MSN, these are the companies, and this Google is having a website which is called google.com, and this Google is a company which is having a full name like Google LLC. And this Google LLC, multinational technology company, earlier we know this company by the name of Google Inc. So the correct answer is Google is a company. Here you can't find this correct option, so you have to select the answer C. Internet sites. Actually Google on few sites. So Google is a limited liability company, that's why we call it LLC. Google was founded in September 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin while they were the PhD students at Stanford University, California. Question number 13. Which is the longest river in India? Options are A. Brahmaputra, B. Godavari, C. Krishna, D. Narmada. When you are saying like which is the longest river, you should name that particular river. Until unless that option is not there, till that time you can't use this kind of question. So option is not given, that means they are asking among these all which is the longest river. So that should be the right question, but let's see. Options are A. Brahmaputra, B. Godavari, C. Krishna, and D. Narmada. So the correct answer we can select from this is option number A. Brahmaputra, which is the second largest river in India, having the length of 2,900 kilometers. First number Indus River and third number Ganga. After that Godavari, and then Narmada, then Krishna, then Mahanadi, then Kaveri. Question number 14. Which of the following cave paintings is focused on the life of Buddha? A. Mandu murals, B. Ajanta murals, C. Kerala murals, D. None. And the correct answer is B. Ajanta murals. Question number 15. In which city is Film and Television FTII Institute is located? That is also a wrong question they have formed. They have used Institute of Located. It's never ever be like of located question. It's like Institute is located. So the options are A. Pune, B. New Delhi, C. Ahmedabad, D. Mumbai. And the correct answer is A. Pune. This institute was established in 1960 and it started its courses in 1961. The television training wing, which was earlier functioning in New Delhi, shifted to Pune in 1974. Question number 16. In which field of art Nandalal Bose make his name? I don't know what happened to this CET cell. They should hire someone who knows little bit English to form these question papers. In which field of art Nandalal Bose made his name? It should be the right question. But anyways, they don't know the tenses, so it's okay. So options are A. Music, B. Sculpture, C. Painting, D. Drama. And the correct answer is C. Painting. Nandalal Bose was known for his Indian style of painting. He became the principal of Kala Bhavan, Shantiniketan in 1922. Question number 17. The first case of novel coronavirus was identified in which city? A. Beijing, B. Shanghai, C. Wuhan, Hubei, D. Tianjin. And the correct answer is C. Wuhan, Hubei. Wuhan is the capital of Hubei province in the People's Republic of China. It is the largest city in Hubei and the most populous city in central China. It is the 9th most populous Chinese city. Question number 18. What do the painting of Ajanta depicts? So there are several paintings and it should be like paintings, not painting. So the options are A. Mahabharata, B. Panchatantra, C. Ramayana, D. Jatakas. And the correct answer is D. Jatakas. Question number 19. By maintaining a distance from others when possible, people may limit the spread of the coronavirus. What kind of sentence is that? That unnecessarily off they have added. Off from others, distance from others. That is the right. But anyway, so the options are A. 2 feet, B. 6 feet, C. 1 feet, D. No need. And the correct answer is B. 6 feet. Question number 20. Blank is the equal distribution of visual weight in a design. A. Emphasis, B. Balance, C. Space, D. Value. And the correct answer is B. Balance. Question number 21. Rath Yatra at Puri is celebrated in honor of which god? A. Lord Shiva, B. Lord Rama, C. Lord Vishnu, D. Lord Jagannath. And the correct answer is D. Lord Jagannath. Question number 22. The ancient name of the city Patna is A. Kapilvastu, B. Kanauj, C. Patliputra, D. Kausambi. And the correct answer is C. Patliputra. Question number 23. Which is the administrative section of the computer system? Options are A. Memory unit, B. Control unit, C. Control processing unit, D. Input unit. And the correct answer is C. Control processing unit, which we call CPU. Question number 24. What do two co-planar points define? Again, wrong sentence. I don't know why they do not use the simple rule of grammar to form the questions. Options are A. Line, B. Texture, C. Form, D. Light and shade. And the correct answer is A. Line. Question number 25. Green, orange and blank are secondary colors? A. Blue, B. Yellow, C. Violet, D. Red, orange. And the correct answer is C. Violet. Question number 26. Who painted famous painting Starry Night? A. Van Gogh, B. M.F. Hussain, C. Picasso, D. Raja Ravi Verma. And the correct answer is A. Van Gogh. Question number 27. When was PM Modi shooting for Man vs Wild? Options are A. 2017, B. 2020, C. 2018, D. 2019. And the correct answer is D. 2019. And this event was so famous because that Man vs Wild shoot was over just 30 minutes before Pulwama attack. Question number 28. Shape is A. 3-dimensional, B. 4-dimensional, C. 2-dimensional, D. 6-dimensional. And the correct answer is C. 2-dimensional. Question number 29. Color is produced by various rays of A. Line, B. Light, C. Form, D. Types. And the correct answer is B. Light. Question number 30. What color can not be made by mixing any other color? Options are A. Yellow, B. Green, C. Purple, D. Orange. And the correct answer is A. Yellow. Question number 31. What words are used to describe color temperature? Options are A. Light and dark, B. Hot and cold, C. Black and white, D. Warm and cool. And the correct answer is D. Warm and cool. Question number 32. When Constitution of India was adopted? Options are A. 15th August 1930, B. 20th August 1947, C. 26th January 1950, D. 26th January 1960. And the correct answer is C. 26th January 1950. Question number 33. What is the orientation of page layout in Microsoft Word documents? Options are A. Horizontal and vertical, B. Portrait and landscape, C. Overlapping, D. None of above. And the correct answer is B. Portrait and landscape. Question number 34. Which is the greatest contrast color? You have to see this image. Options are A. Red and yellow, B. Violet and green, C. Green and red, D. Red and violet. And the correct answer is option number C. Green and red. Question number 35. They should have added the article here. This is the symbol of, but they didn't. A. Indian Navy, B. Indian Air Force, C. Indian Army, D. RBI. And the correct answer is A. Indian Navy. Question number 36. Identify the figure that completes the pattern. You have to see this figure, and after that there are 4 options, and the correct answer is option number D. I'm not 100% sure about this answer. Question number 37. This image is a good example of which principle? A. Repetition, B. Line, C. Color, D. Form. And the correct answer is A. Repetition. Question number 38. What time of day is causing the shadow shown in the picture? A. Midnight, B. Noon, C. Morning, D. Afternoon. And the correct answer is B. Noon. Question number 13 now. What color scheme is represented in this painting? A. Warm, B. Analogous, C. Complementary, D. Red and green. And the correct answer is C. Complementary. Question number 40. This is a symbol of A. Energy, B. Circle, C. Triangle, D. Unity. I'm not sure about the answer, but I chose D. Unity.